Hello everybody, I'm Ken, and today I am a cookie baker. I'm really big on creating new traditions. I really feel that in our society we have a lot of traditions that might be toxic, or we've done away with traditions altogether and we've lost a sense of continuity and a sense of community. I'm here today with the Sensenig family, and they have a tradition every December that they call Cookie Baking Day. And for about the last 20 years or so, I've made it a tradition to fly east and be a part of Cookie Baking Day. So let me share with you a little bit of the goings on and the sense of community and teamwork with Cookie Baking Day.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
I hope you've enjoyed Cooking Baking Day, and I really hope it's inspired you to think of some new and amazing tradition that you could create for your family of origin or family of choice. Either way, something that you can practice every year and make it a part of you, and of course something that you really enjoy and look forward to. This year for dinner, everybody's making pizza. My contribution though is going to be a ceviche salad. I've made it here before and it's been a hit, so I think it's going to be part of my tradition here to contribute that every year. So are you inspired? Are you at least hungry? Well, let me know in the comments. Love to hear from you. I'm Ken, and as always, thanks for watching.